4 decades. When I began as a night manager, that was my first job. We would have Whitney racks for reservations. We would not have computerized systems. Something called an NCR 42, which we use for your bill. Right? Today, there's technology, there's artificial intelligence, there's generative AI, there's just about everything, etc. But I think the basic fundamentals of hospitality never changed. That love for the customer and what you have to give. Human touch was important then and is important now. That time it was only human touch. It's now human touch and technology. Therefore, one has to be very careful that one does not contaminate the very core essence of service.
Exactly.
Right? And therefore, it's important to blend technology and touch. It's no mantra. High tech, right? Only in low touch areas, right? So wherever there is a high touch, low tech, etc. And I think you've got to, very important to do this and bring this about, how you can use technology to enhance personalization without contaminating service.